All right, hello everybody. This is just a quick video to see if this is going to work about how to do our smart music things. I'm going to give this a try and we'll see. All right. So I've pulled up our playing assignment that's due on Friday. Let's see. So you can see if it'll let me scroll back through here. I gotta hit stop. The green notes are the ones that it thinks that I played correctly, and then the yellow and the red notes are the ones that I played incorrectly. I believe that the yellow notes are notes that were out of time, and the red notes are notes that weren't in tune. So it's not the best. But for where we are now, it's going to help us keep track. And then if you look over here, I believe that's my score where it says an 82. And then if I wanted to do it again, I could just hit record again as many times as I want. And I believe over here off to the side, this. Yeah. So then that'll let you listen to the to your time. So my very first time I got 4%. My second time I got 91. So it keeps track of which ones you want. And of course, you want to submit your very best score. So if I got a 92, then that's the one that I want to submit for my recording and do the save stuff. All right, guys, I hope this helps a little bit. I'm learning how to do this screencast stuff. All right, I hope you guys are doing well.